Hi, this is Niloy from Lizard Skin Tattoos, Kolkata, India, and I have been a Cheyenne user for the last 8 years. Today I'm gonna review about Solnova Unlimited 3.5. So I have been using Solnova Unlimited for the last 1.5 year, and I would say that with this machine you can do everything perfectly. If you want to do lining, if you want to do packing, if you want to do soft shading, this does all the job actually. Why so? Because this machine has two modes, which is responsive and steady mode. Well, steady mode is something that if you want to do lining and packing, steady mode works the best because it has a steady heat and it does the job really perfectly. And if you're doing like soft shading or detailed work, responsive mode is the best way to use this machine. So I'll show you how to turn the responsive mode and the steady mode in this machine now. Well, when this light is just glowing, it means it's in steady mode. And if you want to turn to responsive mode, you just need to hold it for a second or two, and you see this light keeps blinking. So that means it turns to responsive mode. Well, this is how we turn it on, and with just a click, the machine starts. And you see how you can change the voltage of this machine. You just hold it firmly and you just turn the machine up and down. From 4.7 to 12 volt, this machine does everything. This is the really, I think, the coolest technology that someone has put in the machine. Thank you, Cheyenne, for this. And the best part is that you can use the Cheyenne disposable grips with this machine. This fits in all the grips they have in the series. I would like to thank Cheyenne for making this beautiful machine. This is really easy to use. You can go play around everywhere, all around with this machine because this is wireless, and that's the best thing tattoo artists can actually ask for. This doesn't require any power supply, doesn't require any wire. You just plug and play. That's it. Thank you, Cheyenne, for making this amazing product. Thank you.